Hi there, it's Professor Rich here. Welcome to week 2 of Marketing 300 at American River College. This week we're starting with the very simple question, what is marketing? And the book, which you'll need to pick up for class, is called Applied Marketing. And chapter 1 in this book is going to talk about what the definition of marketing. What is marketing? So the definition in the book is a little bit different than the definition that I'm going to give you right now. They're complementary, but I want to really simplify it for you. So the book defines marketing as managing exchanges, typically between buyers and sellers. So they call marketing the managing of exchanging of something between a buyer and a seller. In a very broad sense, I think that marketing is attracting customers. And that sounds simple, but it can be a challenge. And so if you think about it, attracting customers is something that we all do a little bit, right? If you've got a social media page, or if you've ever tried to sell anything on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, you've done a little bit of the work of trying to attract customers. So first, if you are doing the job of marketing, you have to know a lot about the product or service you are marketing. You also have to know a lot about who might want that product or service. Then you'll need to know about who your competition is, who else is selling a similar product or service, and how do they compare to you. And then finally, you actually get to do some marketing. So you'll think about the channels you want to use, how you can best reach your audience, what stories and images might resonate well with them. All of those things come into the development of a marketing plan, which we will talk about in this class too. So again, the book defines marketing as managing exchanges between a buyer and a seller. I think of marketing very broadly as attracting customers. All of the little tiny things that you do to attract customers to your business. So no matter your definition, we're going to learn about all the ins and outs of marketing in this class. Make sure that you read chapter 1. The quiz will be on components of this very short lecture, but also on components in the chapter. So make sure you read all of chapter 1. If you have trouble getting the book, if finances are tight for you, if you're worried that you won't do well in the class because you can't get the book, please reach out to me. I'll be able to help you. So shoot me a note. Shoot me a note on Canvas, send me an email, join one of my Thursday office hours, and I'd be happy to help you. I don't want the book to be the reason that you don't finish the class. So think about marketing. What's your definition of marketing, and how does that differ from my definition and the book's definition? And we will hone in on all the components of marketing throughout this class. So I'm glad you're here. I'm excited to learn more about all of you and start to incorporate some things that will be useful for you in your business career in terms of marketing as you move forward. So welcome to class, week 2, and I will see you next week. Thank you.